What is up, guys? Today this is my first video. I don't know how to start. OMG! I just wanted to say that all of the viewers that are watching this video, I'm so happy that you're watching this video. I'm very friendly. I'm Bonnie B. So yeah. So today I wanted to make a video about flood escape, and you can see you heard the alarms. Should we try hard? I think we should do. Wait, Bacon Hair, I want to go with you. Come on, Bacon Hair. Just because you're Bacon Hair doesn't show that you're a noob. You're the best. Ooh, he has what was that? Like a gravity coil. Come on. Come on, Bacon Hair, you can do it. Come on, show that to this video that bacon hairs don't suck. Bacon hairs are cool. Yep, that bacon hair sure is cool. If you're getting bored, I'm so sorry, but this is my first video, so you need to understand that this is my first video. Okay, I'm going with this pal hair. Okay, save the facility. Divide path. Let's go. Come on, you can do it. Just continue with the way. Come on. Come on, I'll press the button and we will escape. Don't laugh at this water trick. Everything is possible. Nothing is impossible. Everything is possible, Oh my goodness. Are we going to lose in this video? At least I want to win one time, But I think we'll try an easy one. Nice one. Is it full? Yep, it's full. I want to spec people. I didn't play this game since years or something. I don't remember. I think you spec this, an easy one. Let's see. Wow, sure these guys are doing it hard. They're trying their best. I wish it could be like that. Guys, if you want me to beat the map, drop a like in this video. And if you want to give me one more gift, subscribe to the channel and I'll give you a shout out. Not a joke, I'll give you a shout out. A shout out. Sorry for my speaking English. I'm just a newbie, Okay. How much time are there going to be in the map? Can I check? Can I please check? Wait, nobody else. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we going, guys. Get ready. Today we're going to win. Yes! Okay, we're starting with this one. I remember this map, but I don't actually remember. Thin glass. This map, I don't remember how to do it because I was only playing Flood Escape 2, not actually the real Flood Escape. I'll practice more on this map, so then we can think if we are too powerful, so that we can go to the second game. Come on, guys, you can do it. Come on, Bacon Pal, you can do it. Come on, guys. Oh yeah, and you're Bacon here, don't worry. One thing, guys, please don't bully the Bacon Hears. They're pretty good people. They're pretty nice. Come on, Pal here. For me, Bacon Hears are the coolest out of top 5. Okay, I'll click this button for you, Pal. Okay, here we go. Come on. Crazy Blocks. I really like Crazy Blocks game. Oh my god, I just lost. Wow. Just wow. Unbelievable. And I only got one flood coin. Game passes. how interesting this is. I want to play Floodstone. You know what? I will play Floodstone. I want to play Floodstone. Get me in here. Wow, just wow. I can't go in the Floodstone. It's full. Oh, it's my time. Come on, come on. Got it. We're in. Yep, baby. Let's do it. I'll dare you to hit the like button, and let's see if we can get to 5 likes. Yeah, just because it's my first video, I'll tell you just to. If we reach 5 likes, I'll do another Flood Escape video. He sent me a friend request. You know what? I'll accept it because I'm going to show the people that I love Pal House. The game has ended. Okay. I'm pumped. Come on. Come on, come on. We're ready. I'm ready. At least we're going to beat this game. I mean, this map. So, and then, you know, we can win. I speak a little bit Spanish. So I'll try to speak. Hoy ganaremos. I think that's how it's called. I think. Vamos a ganar. The map music is a bit scary. Come on, let's go. Come on, guys. Close the door. Shut it. Come on. Shut the door. Shut it. Come on. Nice one. Okay. Okay, this map is easy. Leave a like, guys, for the epic music that Crazy Blox just put into the map. Okay, she clicked the button, and I clicked the button. Go, and let me go in here. There we go. See, we're going pretty good. I'm a boss in this game. I just want to say, I'm a boss in this game. I'm very lazy. Come on, guys. Nice one. Let's go. Calling mess up. Okay, got it. Okay, we need to go up here. We're going to click the button. Now we go to the tower. OMG, this is so hard. This is so hard, dude. Dude, this is hard. A bit. I'm not going to show that I'm a noob. I'm a pro. I'm very pro, you know. Okay, only 5 people are left. No! Oh my goodness. Oh my freaking goodness. Oh my good. Where do you get those wings? Oh yeah, they were from the Ready Player One event. And you're wondering, I'm going to get those wings very soon. And you're wondering, how am I going to get those wings? Just magic, you know, magic. And on June or July, I'll be having those wings very soon. So yeah. And don't think that I'm a hacker. I'll just say how I got the wings when I show you in a video. But thanks for watching, guys. At least I'll try to beat it again. Oh, come on. It's actually full? You're gonna be kidding me. I want to go in. No, I want to go in. I'm a badass. I want to go, you know. Come on. No. Lead us in. Let us in. Come on. Don't be party poopers. Wow. Just wow. You know what? I'm going to exit this place. Flood Escape. Very nice place. But I have to go home. My mom is going to be very angry with me. I must go. I must stop doing this vlog because I'm very lazy. There is the door to my home. Oh wait. This is the exit from the training. Okay guys, I need to go home. My mom's going to. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like because I'm very lazy and I'm have to hurry. Oh my god, my mom's going to be so mad at me.